Morning students. Now we are going to read about some of the classification of the organic compounds there. Now look at here, classification of organic compound means what there, how they had been been differentiated into different categories there. Classification of organic compounds there. See here in this case, the organic compounds had been differentiated into two organic compounds, means we should write it down there. OC there, organic compound can be converted into which one there? First category will be open chain compound there. Open chain compound can be referred to as which one there? Acyclic also there. They are called as acyclic compound also there. We would see them in the further in the detail also there. Then another is the closed chain compound there. Closed chain compound are the compounds in which they will form a ring-like structure of chain, in which they are having a closed compound over there. It means the closed structure over there. So that is called closed chain compound there. Then next is about what there? Homocyclic or this closed chain can be differentiated into different categories, that is homocyclic, when all these constituent elements present in the chain will remain the same, and then heterocyclic means when all the compounds are not same over there. Then this homocyclic again can be converted into two categories, that is what we can say, alicyclic means what there? Means a simple normal common chain, what we can say, made up of same type of elements over there. And another is aromatic, a different kind of chain in which what we can say, hexagonal chain, in which it is found there, it is having a alternate double bond present over there. So these are the different classification of the chain there. First we are going to read about the open chain compound. See, open chain compounds are which type of compound there? Such as this carbon, this type of chain, maybe this branches also can be referred to as what we can say, an open chain compound there. And if we are talking about the next closed chain compound can be referred to as like this one there, carbon, again carbon, and here again carbon there. Now this kind of compounds, or suppose here carbon, another carbon, here another carbon, a carbon and another carbon, they are forming a closed ring-like structure there. So they are called as a closed chain compound. Then next is about what there, then homocyclic, or what we can say, heterocyclic. If all the constituent element present at the corner or the edges of this structure over there, all of them are the same, then it is referred to as a homocyclic compound there. If some of the compound has been changes from carbon to nitrogen, something like that, then it is called as heterocyclic compound there. Then this is about the homocyclic and heterocyclic. Then next is about what there, then finally alicyclic and aromatic compound. See, this is an alicyclic compound, these are all alicyclic compound. Then what is an aromatic compound? A special structure made up of what there, 6 carbon atom, hexagonal structure made up of what were there, 6 carbon atom at each corner there, and it is having what there, alternate double bond in between them, which is almost fluctuating all over the place. This kind of structure will be termed as aromatic compound. So this is all about the classification. Then next is about how would you represent the compounds over there, organic compounds over there. First of all, we are going to see how would we are going to represent the organic compound. Organic compound can be represented by, see, different formula over there. As all of you heard about the molecular formula, what is